Hey guys, so it is Vlogmas day 7 and we're going to Bath and Body Works. This is probably going to be a mess because it's already after 8. I guess they opened at 7. Oh my god, this parking lot is like full. I hope it doesn't take forever.
What is that?
What is what? That's a line?
Is that a line?
Drive past it. I'm not going in there.
You guys going? I guess you're going. Yeah, that's to get into Bath and Body Works.
No, they're coming out
that's
with
product.
No. Hey guys, I'm using a filter because I look like trash, but we're at Starbucks now and we're gonna go to TJ Maxx because apparently they opened early, but I was not. All right, here we are at TJ Maxx. And I got caramel brulee latte. I actually ate a cheese Danish already. It was delicious, but terrible for me. So I was planning to just do this unboxing as a video, but I was going to go to Candle Day today and you guys saw that was an epic mess. There were literally like 20 or 30 people lined up outside of Bath and Body Works. And I would say last year when I was in that same location, there was people like snaking all through the store and it never really got to the point where people were outside and I still waited like an hour. So no, I'm just not doing that. And I will honestly just use my coupon some other time and I'll pay more. I'm not standing in that, not when I have so much to do. I hate the way Bath and Body Works does their online shopping, especially for something like Candle Day, because you have to use a code to even get the candles at that price. Honestly, just be a little bit more reasonable and put them at that price, you know what I mean? So you have to use a code to do that. That means you can't use your coupons and you can't get free shipping, which I think is stupid. If I'm spending $100 on candles, ship it for free. Sorry, that's how most websites work. So yeah, I'll just get candles some other time. Honestly, I have so many that I wasn't even worried about it, but I was just gonna go and check it out. It was like 8 a.m. so I thought we'd be okay. But anyway, I went to TJ Maxx, had my coffee, and I have been working on filming some other stuff. I filmed doing some of my makeup, and I really like the way it turned out. I used the ColourPop, the Through My Eyes one, which is the collab with Karen. She's adorable, and I love this palette, but I did use a BH Cosmetics liquid glitter on my eyes as well. So I did that, and then I have a Smashbox lip on. I can't remember the color. But anyway, the point of doing this is to unbox. I got the Morphe mystery boxes. I don't know if they've done these in the past. If they have, I've missed out on it. But I got the I Love Mysteries, which is a 5-piece collection for eyes. And then I also got the Surprise. I don't understand Surprise. It's a 9-piece face and eye collection. So we're gonna open these bad boys up and see what I got. If I get any duplicates, of course, you guys know. You know the drill. I'm gonna put it in a giveaway. All right, so let's start with the eye box. This one was $35. Again, you're getting 5 pieces. I don't know what all you're gonna get in here though, and if it's really gonna be like a good bang for your buck. But let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we got is the 25D Oh Boy eyeshadow palette. This is looking like it's got some powdery stuff on it. I think it's from the shred because the shred in here is red and there's like red powder on it. Hopefully not a broken palette. But this one goes for only $12 and it's the Oh Boy Artistry palette. So, you know, given that you're getting a $12 palette, I don't think it's gonna be like amazing bang for your buck. And I see a few more items. Of course, there's 5 pieces in all. So let's open this guy up. For palettes, I'm gonna be really shrewd about what I keep, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. Ooh. Oh, they all have boy names. Jax, Chris, Jonah, Austin, Mace, Kai. So these are a lot of really warm matte shades, literally all mattes. and a very, very warm palette. It does look really, really pretty. I think I might get a palette in the other box too, so I'll probably choose maybe one of the two to keep and one I will put in a giveaway. I do have a lot of warm palettes though. Of course, you know, we went through that stage where everything that came out was a warm palette. So yeah, I will likely put something from these boxes into a giveaway. It may be my 20,000 one, so just be on the lookout and be sure you're subscribed. I wanted to hit 20,000 by my birthday, but my birthday is right around the corner, so I don't think that's gonna happen. That's okay, or I know that's not gonna happen at this point. But you know, I'll get there eventually. All right, and then I got the luxurious Morphe premium lashes. These goes for $12. They don't really look like $12 lashes, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know, I feel like my eyes are very easily like taken over by like big lashes, and these aren't that full, but they are pretty long. And it's kind of weird. They have straight sections, and then I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Like there's straight pieces, and then there's a little crisscross, but it only goes like over top. It's like a little overlay, but like the length of the lashes, most of it's just really straight down. So that's a $24 value so far. All right, looks like the other three items are brushes. So we got the M428, M519, and M531. So really quick, these are the three brushes in the packaging. All right, so the M531 is this guy right here. It's a pointed pro blender. It's really big, but I feel like this one would be the one I would like leave clean to go back in with and like really fluff out and blend edges. The M428 goes for $5. This is a deluxe duo fiber shadow. I don't typically love duo fiber shadow brushes. It's just not something that I really reach for, but I may try to incorporate this and see how I can do it. It goes for only $5. We're only up to $37 value, and we only have one brush left, which this is the brush I'm most excited about. It is the M519. I feel like I might have this one, maybe. This is a crease blender and it goes for just $7. All right, so we got a $44 value for $35. Not really impressed with this. I'm just gonna be like 100% honest. These two brushes I'm excited about, but I probably would not buy their mystery boxes again just based off of this box. But we do have one more to get into, so let me grab it. All right, again, so we have the surprise box, a 9-piece face and eye collection. So hopefully we get some more good stuff in here. This one goes for $50. All right, we got a bigger palette. We got the 35R. This is Ready Set Gold Artistry Palette. So $25 for this one. And it is, you know, half the price of the box. And you still have several more things in here. 9 pieces in this one, so maybe this will be a little bit more impressive. Just plain packaging, of course. All right, so this is the Ready Set Gold. This one's probably a little bit more up my alley personally. It's got some really pretty colors in it. You still have a lot of warm tones, but I'm seeing a lot of like rich tones. So I'm gonna swatch this one and I'll put the other one in the giveaway. Looks like a lot of these dark ones are gonna be kind of similar in color. Not that that's bad, like having, you know, the exact color you want is really nice. So that looks pretty nice. I'm gonna hold on to this one and you guys will see some of the other things in future giveaways. All right, next we got a Blushing Babes blush trio. This is in Pop of Pink. This goes for $12, so we're up to a $37 value so far. I do have one of these blush trios and I don't remember the colors that I have. So the other one I have is a little bit more peachy. This one is like pinky mauve colors and it's actually really pretty. I do like the other one, so I will try this out really soon. Next we got a pair of lashes. Oh, there's like stuff all over them. These are the premium lashes in Posh. And I like the style a little bit better just for my eyes personally. They look like they're, you know, a little bit wispy, but they're still full enough. I kind of like those, so I think I'll try this pair of lashes out for myself. And $12, so that puts us up to $49, so basically at the cost of the box, and then we'll see what other goodies we got. All right, so I've got 3 different lip products. So I have a gloss. Those go for $8, so that gives us $57 value. I also have a lip crayon. That goes for $9, so that puts us at $66 value. And then we have a Mega Matte Lipstick. Those also go for $9, so that puts us at a $55 value so far. So we've got 3 lips. Let's take a look. Oh, this gloss is really pretty. So this one is in Frosé. Looks like a really nice color. I'll pop a little bit on. It doesn't show up really intense or anything. It's just like a little sheer shimmery glittery gloss. All right, we got the lip crayon, and this is in the shade Lilas, Lylas. Looks like this right here. Ooh, this is a pretty color. It's like pink with just a little hint of mauve in it. It's very pretty. I'll have to try that really soon as well. Not mad at these lip selections. And then we got the Mega Matte lipstick in the shade Morphe. So it looks like it's gonna be a red. Did I say 66 and 9 was 55? Wow, she's on another level. All right, so this is the Morphe lipstick. That looks really pretty. So it's right here. That's really pretty. All right, so to recap, we got a $25 palette, a $12 blush trio, $12 lashes, and then we got 3 lip products, which I think one was $8 and 2 of them were $9. Is that right? Yeah, so we are at a $75 value so far. So this box is looking a little bit better. We still have 3 more items to go. All right, looks like we got some of the rose gold brushes. Oh, this powdery stuff is everywhere. All right, so first up we got the R14 brush. This looks really nice. So this is the round contour. This goes for $11. It feels really, really nice. I think the R is the rose gold, but it's a little contour brush. It's got a nice size to it. It's big enough to like go in really quick and blend it out, but the bristles of this one feel super, super nice. I'm actually really impressed. I don't think I have any of this collection of brushes so far. So $11, that puts us at an $86 value. Next we have the R34 Deluxe Blender. That looks pretty nice. I think this will be a great one to really blend and buff the crease shade. And then, like I said, got the other brush, the M531, to go in and like blend clean. So liking that so far. That one goes for $9, and that puts us at what, a $93 value. We've got one more brush left. This is the R39, and this is a tapered blender brush. This one also feels nice. Had a little couple bristles falling out, but that's what that looks like. Again, the R39 tapered blender. This looks like a really nice brush as well. I like these with like the light fibers in them. I tend to enjoy those from Morphe. So I'm really happy for the rose gold brushes that I got. I feel like that's probably my favorite thing of all. I'll put one of the pair of lashes and the other palette into my 20,000 giveaway. Remember, that's coming up. I'm also going to do one for 5,000 on Instagram. I also have my Jeffree Star conspiracy palette and mini controversy palette giveaway. That's still going on. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to check the description box. I think I still have it linked, or just search it on my channel. It's a fairly recent video, and yeah, somebody's going to win both of those palettes, which is really good. So check that out, and I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 7. Sorry it was like half vlog, half video, but we're just gonna make it work. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!